I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. I know it's probably been about a week or a little bit longer since the last time I've uploaded a video. I'm sorry you guys, but over the weekend was my 10-year anniversary with my husband, a little mini vacation with me, my husband, and our son. So I'm sorry about not posting a video, but we really just needed some family time. I am back with a new video. It's on another teeth whitening product that I purchased from Amazon. Yes, I know I'm addicted to Amazon. Just stop. I can't help it, okay? I'm just addicted to Amazon. But you know what? I'm helping you guys out who are possibly interested in purchasing these things, and you don't know if you want to purchase them because you don't know if you like them or not. So I'm here to kind of help. So it's full circle, it works. Don't judge me. But before we get into this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you hit the notification bar down below so you know when I upload a new video. I think it was like $25 and it's called BAM! MySmile. Yeah, isn't it cute? MySmile. We all struggle with stains in our teeth and we all want something a little bit brighter. And I have been using the Cali White black charcoal toothpaste for quite a while, and I just wanted to kind of change some things up. I purchased this about maybe a month ago, and I'm just now being able to do this video. The virtual learning has like my mind, okay? It's like blown my mind, and just work and everything else is just like but I did not come here to complain to you guys. I came to do another review. This is what the box looks like. 3 syringes, 3 pieces to the tube for the syringe. Comes with the actual teeth whitening and then the mouth guard where you put the actual lube or gel in. I said lube. The gel in, not lube. We're gonna do it now. Just to let you guys know a little bit about it. The website says to do this, you could do this up to 15 minutes. However, the instructions say that it goes for 10-minute intervals. So after 10 minutes, the piece of the whitening will actually stop. And then if you're wanting to, you could technically push the button again and go for another 5 minutes. However, I don't know if I want to do all that. So I think I'm just gonna do it for the first 10 minutes. And even the website says that they guarantee that you'll see some results within their first use. So if you guys are wanting to see what it looks like after day 7, I'll show that to you, but this is honestly just a first review on do I see any results after doing the first use. Also, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to want to do this every day for 7 days if this thing is uncomfortable as people say it is. So we may just be doing a one time, but we gonna see. This is actually where the LED light is they tell you to pull the back out, but I already did that because I'm an impatient person. Now, once you have this out, this little piece right here, this little piece, you take your mouth guard. Makes me think of like sports, but okay. And you attach it. Mouthpiece is on, connected to the LED light. Take your syringe. It comes with 3 syringes and you're doing 0.5 milliliters, 0.5. So when you think of it, you have 3 of these, so you should be able to do at least 9 usages. Usages? Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I don't know, I'm just struggling today. Take this piece right here and you twist. Oh, like that. Now, you'll take one of these blue pieces. I'm gonna call them a tubers. You take one of these skinny tubers. That's what I'm gonna just say today. Tubers. It's not even I don't even think that's a word. So you connect this piece to the top piece and you twist it on. Like so. But before we do that, let's see what my teeth look like up close and personal for you guys. So it comes with this pretty little package. This is MySmile. Yeah, girl. This is MySmile. And it comes with a whitening shade guide, just to kind of let you know where your teeth are. They ain't here. Here. Aren't they so pretty? The recognition Alright, so now that you guys have gotten up close and personal to my teeth and I feel very uncomfortable, let's get this popping. Okay, well it's not moving, so that's good. And then the 0.5 at the bottom. You guys, this is like a lot of goop. I was gonna say lube again, but that just came out wrong the first time. So we're just not gonna do that. Okay, so I know y'all are probably like, why are you smelling it? I'm a weirdo. I smell things. I know this. You guys should know this by now if you've watched plenty of my videos. But it does smell like just what the crest strip whitening strips smell like. It's not a bad smell. It smells like whitening strips. Alright, and here we go.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. Start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. Baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mind. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game.
Oh.
Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do.
Ew, it is so nasty. Oh, I got it in my boob. I totally got that in my boob. Alright, you guys, so after brushing my teeth, I absolutely like it. I'm probably gonna do it again. The mouth guard didn't bother me at all. I was playing my game on my phone, so I was fine with it. I don't think I have any negative reviews on it. I think it actually did pretty well. I do see some results with just doing the one use. But that is it, guys. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bar down below so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!
You are the stranger in the corner on the second